ọ̀gbìn dáadáa lẹ́yìn. Ìdí tí a ṣe wá sí báwo gbàgede táwọn ayé. Ibi yìí nǹkan tá a fi lọ́lẹ̀ ní pé láti máa kọ́ àwọn ọmọ ilẹ̀ káàró òjìrè tí wọ́n ń ṣe dáadáa tí olóyìnbó máa ń pè ní school of faith. Ìdájí ibi ní sábà jókòó sí nínú gbàgede agbákejì ẹ̀ ní ibi tí a máa gbé ẹ̀rọ ayélujára tó jẹ́ pé ọgọ́rùn-ún ọdún àwọn ọmọ wa dàbí wọ́n bá wá wọ́n bẹ ẹ̀rọ ayélujára yẹn orúkọ yẹn á jáde wọ́n lè fẹ́ pọ́fẹ́sọ̀ ṣíyọ orúkọ yẹn á jáde gbogbo tó ti ṣe èrú bísípa ẹ̀rí orúkọ yẹn á jáde gbogbo tó ti gbé ní ayé ṣe ìyá nìkẹ́ agalari gbogbo wàlámùwà wọ̀nyí ti dáadáa àti gbogbo àwọn ọmọkùnrin tó wà bí ìfúnwọ́ ìmọ̀tàgbé ibi ìlò gbogbo àwọn ọmọ káàrọ̀ òjìrè ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ láti ṣe níbi ilẹ̀ tí ó lè ní pé àtúnṣe ti pẹ̀sọ̀ ó mọ̀ nípa ìtọ̀ ẹ̀jọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀bá mi tàbí ó rò pẹ̀lú ẹ̀bá mi.
Ẹni kábíyèsí.
Bóyá ní orúkọ bàbá wa Ọọ̀ni Aláṣẹwìjà.
This whole event, the publication, and whatever you are saying today was fully sponsored by Ọọ̀ni Ọba Babatunde Adéyẹyè Ẹniìtàn Ọ̀jájá. Whatever people say behind my back is what we react to. They will not touch me with 10 miles because as you are rising, you find out that there are other people. And thank you for today. My VC, the Emeritus VC, Lagos State University, is very close to this 90. Professor Abiso Olubodemi, please come to the front so that they can recognize you. It was the engine room of Lateef Jakande administration. I was the person who prepared the technical papers for the take-off, for the establishment of Lagos State University way back in 1980. And we thank God for his life. Emeritus Professor Loina, in difficult and challenging times, about money. I just thank God for your life, and may you continue to age gracefully and all the people that are here. Deputy Governor, I work closely with Deputy Governor in our first term in office until I said, Your Excellency, it's always a fine writer that I now introduce them working in our office there. So all my teachers, mentors, brothers, friends, and colleagues, these books are dedicated to all of us.
Ẹ bá mi pàtẹ́wọ́ fún olórí ilé ìta.
For the praise. Whichever one gets. So this we have cannot move anymore. If you don't have
Ọmọ